When Tropical Storm Edouard hit Galveston, Texas in August of 2008, NOAA's Office of Coast Survey was immediately deployed to the scene to provide post-storm survey support. Rob Downs is the team's AUV project manager.
We have field parties, survey parties, navigation response teams that are regionally deployed and respond to marine incidents, whether it's a ship grounding or post-storm surveys in ports to reopen ports after hurricanes in particular.
Devastation from the storm had left the city without power and water, and the bridge to Galveston Island was covered in debris. That presented a challenge for getting a survey vessel to the scene.
We couldn't have gotten a small boat into Galveston that quickly, and even if we got a small boat in there on a trailer, there were no boat ramps that we could have launched the boat in. All of them were covered with debris, or it would have just been too unsafe to try to put a small boat in the water where we had no idea if there were any obstructions in the boat basin or on the boat ramp.
Downs made the choice to instead put Hydroid's versatile, lightweight REMUS 100 AUV into action. The REMUS 100 was the first survey vehicle in the water, deployed to use side-scan sonar to monitor for underwater obstructions in the Texas City Channel. This marked the first time NOAA used an AUV for a post-storm navigation safety survey.
We'll run sonars off of vessels of opportunity, but when we do that, we're installing equipment, and then that boat can only be used to run the sonar, to do the survey mission. We ran the AUV from a Coast Guard ship. We put it in the water. The Coast Guard vessel went and continued to do its work. So it was restoring buoys, restoring aids of navigation at the same time that the AUV was conducting the underwater survey, looking for obstructions.
Downs' team brought the REMUS 100 back on board, processed the data, and confirmed that there were no obstructions present. As a result, by early afternoon, all channels in the area were open to commercial vessel traffic. Just a month later, Downs' team was called back to Galveston for emergency response after Hurricane Ike. The REMUS 100 again successfully conducted the side-scan sonar channel surveys, freeing the Coast Guard ship's crew to repair buoys and other navigation aids. According to Downs, no other survey tool would have allowed both essential functions to be performed at the same time with just one vessel. Downs' team continues to use the REMUS 100 as its emergency response AUV of choice. They credit Hydroid's dedication to modifying each vehicle to suit the customer's specific needs.
They've listened to how we want to use it, where we can set it out to do its job while we go and do something else, and that's one of the most important things about the vehicles to us. If we have to stay close to it and monitor it or attend the vehicle, then we don't get the benefit that we need.